Hello, hello, hello. My name is Lori Allred and I am your Pampered Keto Chef. I'm excited to have you join me today. I am going to be making some keto-friendly candy bars actually. Around Christmas time, I decided I'd go off keto, give it a shot. I hadn't done it for a couple years, so I've been doing keto for 3. And I got addicted, totally addicted to those Hershey Peppermint Kisses, the candy cane kisses. Holy cow, like bag after bag. I probably put on 20 pounds thanks to that and felt like crap. So I've gone back on keto. But you know, that's the problem with sugar, it's addictive. You think of it all the time. So I'm gonna be making a keto-friendly version that's sugar-free. I'm super excited to share it with you. So we're gonna be using the snack bar maker. It's this awesome silicone pan that makes candy bar size treats. So you can make your own gluten-free, healthier granola bars or whatnot. And I'm gonna be making candy bars. So, and this is the lid. If you have leftovers, you can put it right on and store it. And then this spatula, the nylon spatula, fits right in just to get that right out of there. So whatever you decide to make, I know you're going, I have a great Pinterest board that shows you a bunch of ideas for granola bars. So I'm gonna be using that to make our candy bars. And then you're wondering, how are you gonna do this? Pull it off. So I picked up some sugar-free white chocolate. This brand is actually available at my local Walmart. And I think it's just called Bake and Believe. They have semi-sweet, I think dark chocolate and white chocolate. So just the white chips. And then a little peppermint, pure peppermint extract. You can also pick up some ooh flavor of peppermint. I'm gonna be using our micro cooker. I'm just gonna microwave it to melt it. You could use a double broiler if you wanted. And then the part I loved about the candy cane kisses was the candy canes in it. So I actually picked up, just my local dollar store actually had them, some sugar-free peppermint Starlight Mint candies. I will warn you, for those of you who are extra sensitive to sucralose, that's what they've used to sweeten with this. And so sucralose isn't usually very well received on keto, but for those of you who are simply trying to cut out the regular white sugar, this is a better option. So this part's completely optional. I just want that crunch that you get from the Hershey Kisses to mimic that. I'll probably cut them out the next time I do it, but just for fun, I took the whole bag of these, put them in a Ziploc bag, and then used my meat tenderizer and went out on the back step in my garage, smashed the heck out of them. Works great. It's much faster than doing it on your countertop, so just go find some cement. So I'm gonna add a little bit of that in. You're gonna wanna just dump all your, I'm gonna do all of them. I'm gonna dump all of them in here. This is a 9-ounce bag. And then I'm gonna add a little bit, the secret is you gotta add a little bit of oil to it. So I'm gonna add a little bit of coconut oil. And then I'm gonna microwave it. I'm gonna start off about 1 minute with the lid on. Then I'm gonna stir it. Then I'm gonna come back and maybe do 30 seconds at a time till it's all melted. So I'll be back when I have the melted chocolate. Okay, I'm back. Look how beautiful that consistency is. I nuked it for a minute, stirred it a little, did it for another 30 seconds, and then it took about 15 seconds past that. It all depends on how much chocolate you're trying to melt. But I love that, so I love using the micro cookers for that reason. So I'm just gonna add a touch of peppermint into this. I don't wanna go really heavy-handed. Oh, I didn't realize we hadn't even opened this. Ooh, that worries me. We don't have a dropper. That's about 3 or 4 drops is all. If you're worried about the, let's see if I can taste it. Not too much, so maybe a little bit more. Maybe 1/4 of a teaspoon. Again, it depends on, oh, it's dripping down the back of my finger. There's that. So I have no idea how much I just put in. Now I'm gonna smell like peppermint all day. Again, I'm gonna add in these sugar-free candies. Oh, I have a hole in the bag, that's nice too. Keeping it real, people, just keeping it real. So again, you can skip this part if you're worried about the sucralose. A lot of people don't do sucralose on keto, especially if you're eating clean keto. Most people it'll kick out of ketosis. So I'm not putting enough in that I think it's gonna make a huge difference, but it's gonna give me that white chocolate candy cane fix that I'm looking for. Okay, maybe a little more. I mean, okay, look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Super simple. And since I'm putting it in a silicone pan, it'll be easy to pop these out. So I'm just, again, I'm using the bar pan maker. And I don't have a ton of chocolate, so I can't imagine I'm gonna be able to make too many of these, but I don't care. And the nice thing is I'm the only one here that eats. Well, it's like my daughter if she comes by, but my husband doesn't care. He'll eat them because he doesn't have any respect for my keto food, but so we'll just hide it from him. Look how yummy that is. Oh, I'd be happy if I had like 6 little mini bars or so. Oh, look, we're getting 7. Okay, I'm almost out. That's why I love these scrapers. I've heard them called child cheaters because they cheat your child out of getting anything to lick in the bowl. So let's just, sometimes that's easiest. Oh, look at that. We're filling that in. I'm a little short on these ones, but I'm okay with that. There's a little bit left on here. And then I'm just gonna let them sit in the fridge. I think that lid's gonna help until they harden up. I'll be sure to add to the end of this video, show you what they look like, how they turned out. There you go, your sugar-free. Okay, we're back. I put the Hershey Kisses, peppermint candy cane kisses, whatever you want, the keto version, in the fridge for about an hour is all. So we're just gonna peel that lid right off. Now, I love being able to make my own candy bars or granola bars. Look how easy that is. And I love that it's silicone, so it pops those. Oh, look at it. It's a mini candy bar. Check it out. Looks just like it. That's probably a lot. Okay, now I did touch the top of one, so this is what you get when you touch the top. But let's give it a try. This will totally work. Totally work for my, tastes like peppermint. You can see the candy canes in it. Again, that was optional if you're worried about that. All it is melted sugar-free white chocolate with a little peppermint extract and some crushed up sugar-free Starlight peppermint candies. And you've got your own version of the Hershey Candy Cane Kisses. There you go. You're welcome. Have a great day. Thank you, everyone.